Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making homemade chili. I'm serving mine over noodles. It can be eaten plain with crackers, over mashed potatoes. It's an easy recipe to make, and it's a good recipe for this type of weather. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. What you need is 1 to 1.5 pounds of ground beef, a cup of water to cook with the ground beef, 1 medium onion chopped, 1 rib of celery chopped, 2 cans of beans. You can use light, dark, kidney, pinto, whatever kind you have. I'm using light red kidney beans and pinto beans. You need a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of green chilies. Since I rarely use this, I use the canned, and I'll freeze what's left over. And you need spices: garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, chili, and black pepper. And the first thing I'm going to do is brown the ground meat with the water, stirring constantly, or not constantly, but stirring a lot so that the ground meat breaks up into tiny little pieces. While that's browning, I'll chop up the onion and the celery. Okay, I took the tablespoon of green chilies out of the can, and the leftovers I'm putting in a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to freeze that so that I can use it later on and it won't go bad, because I really don't use this very often. Okay, now that the ground meat is all brown and broken up into tiny little pieces, I'm going to start adding to it. And I've got the onion, and the celery, green chilies, and all of the cans you keep the liquid. So there's the kidney beans, pinto beans, the diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, and the spices. Sorry, I do not measure. There's the garlic, the onion powder, cumin, chili, and black pepper. I'm going to mix this very well, and this is going to go on an incredibly low heat, and it's going to simmer for about 1.5 to 2 hours until all those flavors blend. I'm going to put a lid on this, and it's going to cook for a couple hours. I'll be coming back every 15 minutes to stir it so that it doesn't stick and burn on the bottom. Other than that, this is just about ready. I say a low flame, this is what I mean. It is way down there. Okay, 2 hours is done. It looks so good. This can be served as is or with crackers, over mashed potatoes, over noodles. Enjoy. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of my recipes. Subscribe. And happy creating, everyone.